Hello, welcome everybody. This is my presentation, and I want to inform you because there are the presentation slide numbers. It's totally 43. So when you check that it is 43, it's gonna finish. I think it's gonna motivate you every slide. Because sometimes nobody knows when it ends. It's good that you will know. So it's good that everybody fly to Istanbul. So when I say where is Tekyas, everybody know. But the nice thing, at least from my point of view, we are right in the middle of the world. And this is not a coincidence, because also we are where two continents meet. Do you have an idea? Here are people from Europe, from Asia. So this is the place where two continents meet, actually. You can see the Europe, it's Turkey. We are now in Istanbul. This is going to be a kind of a geography lesson for you, because maybe one day you join a $1 million show on a TV. Somebody asks you, and you know the answer. You call me. Thank you, lker. I am the winner. So this is my office view. Almost, let's say. When we drive, at least 10 minutes, let's say, for breakfast. But it's in Istanbul, so today you will see this place on the boat show. It's good. Another lesson now. As you see, there is the Black Sea, and there is two channels, two straits. On the top, it's called Bosphorus, and at the bottom, there is another one longer, it's Dardanelles. So as you see, two continents do not touch. They very come close, creates the Bosphorus Strait and the Dardanelles Strait, and it's not river, it's just a strait. Black Sea joins agency. So now you understand, this side is Asia, and this side is Europe. You see the Bosphorus Strait again and again. So when you go back, you know iMachining, you know SolidCAM innovations, at least everybody knows now Bosphorus Strait. Asia and Europe. Not finished. And this is called the Golden Horn, and all the attractions, the old city, is right in this place. Because in the past, when you hear some history about Constantinopolis, Byzantines, when they are talking about Istanbul, Istanbul was only here, this place. All the rest, we say Dutluk, just trees over there. Okay? So the whole Istanbul history is all around here. So when you go to Old City, in fact, you are going to the old Istanbul, and there you will see the walls around here. So these walls were to protect the city. So today, again, the boat will be around this place. So when you recognize the nice palaces, everything, now you know the story. And the sultans were living in Topkapı Palace. This is Topkapı Palace. Think that you are here, watching the strait, the ships are coming, going. So this is an amazing Topkapı Palace here. And Hagia Sophia is here. So you can spend one full day, amazing, in this old city area. And you can be a guide now. So welcome to Turkey. Thank you, all my friends. It's really a pleasure. I think it's only one time in a life to welcome you in my country. Thanks for that. Thanks for this crowd. You make it amazing. Thank you. So as you see, we are a SolidWorks reseller, a very strong SolidWorks reseller. We started with SolidWorks. We are today 200 people working for SolidWorks. We can say that there is 450 resellers around the world. And when you check the top 15 resellers, you will see the name Tekyas there. It's not so common that a software company is for 200 people. This is the place where we can win against at least SolidCAM GmbH, in numbers at least. So we have 5,000 customers of SolidWorks, and these customers' main pain is digitalization. The first thing they ask is not, I want to cut this part, I want to make a 3-axis milling. No, they want a full automation, full digitalization from design to manufacturing. So we don't care any CAM software if they can cut the holes much better, much faster, the surface is much better. Because we are the only vendor in Turkey that can offer a fully transformation to digital environment with a full, strong support. Don't forget that. This is the big difference. You can get any CAM system. You can maybe cut the hole faster, but if the information is wrong, only the user is happy. Running in the company, see this hole. What a great hole I cut. Thank you, but sorry, it is the wrong hole. So communication and full digitalization is important. And for this, you need a team. But not a team of people. You need a happy team. So we are certified. In fact, I didn't certify it. My people certified themselves. They say that we are so happy to work in Tekyas. It's a great place to work. So with happy people, you always win. Of course, we have a core SolidCAM team. As you see here, you see Tekyas core team. Of course, we have a sub-reseller network. Maybe Tekyas SolidCAM team is 25, but when we add all the sub-reseller network and partners, we can easily double our effect to the market. In Turkey, I guess also in your countries, we have very important industrial regions. But our difference, we are not a company trying to sell software on the phone or from just one main office. We are locally very close to our customers. So all these regions, we have offices, we are training, we are post developers over there. So we believe that there are independent companies with full initiative, creating their own support, even talk the language of the customer. Because even when you have Turkish, we have some dialects. When I go to Konya or Kayseri, different states, I stop talking and my people talk. They can easily collaborate. So with this short description, I believe in our success there is 3 key important pillars. The one is the software side, of course, SolidWorks, SolidCAM. I believe they are best of both worlds with a seamless integration. This is unique. It's not easy to find best of both worlds softwares and have really good solution. So there's a good thing to believe. The other one is partners and Tekyas, I mentioned. Yes, Tekyas is a good support partner, but it's very important to think globally as Turkey or globally as a world, but find ways to act local, which our partners, sub-reseller network do that, thanks to them. And final, and not least, the most important thing is our customers, our users. So instead of giving a big importance to companies and business owners, maybe we give much more importance to our users. Because we see that our users, most of the time, are the king. They are the real decision makers. Everybody wants to use the software they know. They feel that they're powerful. They feel that they get support. So we don't forget those people. We give them full support, training, continuously have relationships. You will see how we do that. And of course, all users were all once in education institutions. So we meet them at the university level, at high school level. You will not believe, but we even have customers in primary level. So if we come back to SolidWorks and situation in Turkey, I can easily say that SolidWorks is the de facto CAD standard of Turkey. No other CAD system. First, they are the only software invested for Turkish language. All CAD systems are in English. So they invested. So you go to your customer, look at his eyes, is there any software really care about your language? No, it's SolidWorks. So when it comes to SolidCAM, it's the only software that has an official Turkish version, official Turkish help files. No other companies invest that. Tekyas continues to make all these translations, create all these big effort to do that. So if you are a student, even if you find a piracy copy of SolidCAM, you can reach that Turkish language help files, installations. You don't need anyone. You can do it self-service. And, okay, so EDU, 80% penetration. I can easily say that almost all universities using SolidWorks, all universities that have a CNC machine, the natural choice is SolidCAM. And let's look at how we see SolidCAM. For us, is it just always holes, cutting parts? No, for me it's not. I'm a guy coming from CAD. So I have a different perspective. So this is my perspective. For me, a demo is just 1 minute. I am on an elevator or in a car talking with the guy and show the video. I said that in our software, you don't need to learn anything. I prepare everything for you. Just drag and drop for the pockets. All the library is going to be set by us. So we know your tools. We know your all detailed parameters. So by just drag and drop to your pockets, you will have automatic CAM for you. So this is not a CAM system. I am building an automation for you. So when you leave your company, all the people after you will make a statue of you because they will find the library of calculations. By just drag and drop, they will always say, thanks to Mr. lker, thanks to Mr. lker. And for the holes, you know, you go to the holes, you turn it. And so this is very easy to replicate because all SolidWorks sales guy, they are CAD guy. They don't want to talk about too much about all these CNC details. Just show this. You are doing CAD, in just a couple of minutes, you create all the toolpath by dragging, dropping. You don't need to enter any menu. Yes, somebody did it for you in the past, but now you don't have to do it every day. And then report. Everybody loves report. Without a report, you cannot show anything onto the shop floor. Just show the report, it's done. This is, from a CAD perspective, what's going on in the shop floor. I just drag and drop, give the report, and it's done. This is how we prefer to present our solution in the first look, let's say. And we support this idea with partners. As you see now, we have totally seven resellers. Some of them were from our competition. They just say that we cannot survive with these competition softwares. Let's come back to SolidCAM ecosystem. As I said, they have their own offices. We have a really strong relationship with them. We visit them. We discuss their market issues. Everybody has their different issues. But at the end, the core team is helping for all. So this is the team for technical, all our sub-resellers, and we leverage them, and they are also tracked by an electronic system for customer success to understand how much time we spend to support our customers. We have KPIs for that. For example, today, we sometimes feel like we are a pizza service station because customers call me, hey, Mr. lker, you promised that you were going to solve my problem in 10 minutes, but it's 11 minutes now. Are you going to send me a free pizza? Because we really set our goals so high. We said 10 minutes, no more than 10 minutes. Of course, post-processor development is another issue. Here, of course, we have to thank to SolidCAM team, Serbian team. Serbia is very close, by the way. By just 1 hour flight, they can come to Istanbul. But it's not just helping us, also they educate us, hands-on training in front of the complex machines. It's great, amazing. This is the thing that I am always telling. There is never no from SolidCAM. There is a complex machine. We see it as a challenge, but SolidCAM is also seeing it as a challenge. The phone is like this, oh, great machine. Maybe if I come, we can learn together. So this makes it happen. So some typical customers in Turkey, I want to show you. This is a machine builder. They have 10 seats of SolidWorks. But for us, the problem is full digitalization. We are not checking even any other CAM solution. From the beginning, they are using PD and PLM systems. There is the shop floor, there is the design department. They design very complex machines, processes, lines. But at the end, there is a shop floor. And this guy doesn't know anything about what they are doing normally. What we are trying to do, we want this guy to understand what he is meaning. Because this guy is a smart guy. He knows that this hole is wrong. Maybe as a designer, you did a hole, but from manufacturing perspective, it's not so effective. So we have to make this guy contributing to the design department. How we can do that? With PDM, PLM systems. And with SolidWorks, SolidCAM integration. We don't give him a standalone CAM system. We give him a SolidWorks and SolidCAM. So he can interact, see the assembly, where this part is used, what can the efficiencies that he can report back. And when you look at this, it's a simple part. Any CAM system can cut this part. Not so complex surfaces. However, when you look at all the operations, there's a big operation for each host, for different sizes, channels. You have to add all these operations. If you don't have any connection, you cannot talk about any efficiency. Because any update coming from the customer, this is our power. Everybody should understand that there is no single CAM system that I can trust for that this digital continuity can happen. But of course, we also have mold makers. But it's not only mold maker. He's making plastic simulation. He's changing his design. He's visiting customers, offering some change in the design of the pipes. So all these ribs, it's a total solution. So without SolidCAM, I feel something is missing. Because my power is, no worry, Mr. Customer, we will have all the solutions in one single platform. And SolidCAM is the biggest part of it. And we have even customers, very big names. This video became viral because they were using other CAM system. After we did this benchmark with a tool company, they are making load cells. This is to evaluate the weight, but we use eye machining here. With eye machining, suddenly, 20 years expert of using another CAM system start to cry in front of us. I lose 10 years because of that. Another customer, when you see, is a machine customer. But then when we go there, we are just looking at it, hey, why don't you use eye machining here? If you make this eye machining, you will earn a lot of money. So then this discussion is not only design, also adding the manufacturing perspective. So what is this? This is a recycling machine. So we sell SolidWorks, all the PDM systems, and SolidCAM is the key for that. Because we win the heart of the customer with SolidCAM, but then they believe the full digitalization. Let's go back to the training. Training is very important, and we have to reach big masses. We cannot train everybody one by one. So we created a platform. It's called Turkey's online platform. On this platform, you can reach any kind of SolidWorks training, SolidCAM training. It's free. So we don't charge money for that. If you can learn the product, self-service, no problem. We even, with our partners in different local regions, we make some collaborations with industrial zones. So they teach SolidCAM to the teachers. They teach SolidCAM to users after the job. All these people are collaborating with us. Moreover, we have a special program every year we announce by leveraging the 60-day, 30-day trial program of SolidCAM. We offer everybody in Turkey, once in a year, free training. We tell them that, hey, Turkey, we are teaching you CAM. Anyone who wants. Or professional or professional trainers will spend their time online to teach you. You can join 2.5, 3.3, 4.5 access, but even sub-resellers all support. So we all together make this happen. We every year train with these online technologies 1,000 people. So if I can train 1,000 people, maybe 2.5, maybe small, after 1 year, I see them around in the customers. We even have similar programs for high school level. This is a special program. It's funded by European Union. Altogether, we first time in the world teaching CNC milling, CAD and CAM in one single platform, in one single course. Not only one part of the issue, the full. Moreover, we are the first pilot company for 3D experience platform to be used for education. What we are doing here, today in Turkey, we have 4,000 students join this platform. We ask all the students to be in this. We give them SolidWorks licenses. We give them, if they want, SolidCAM licenses. And we continuously track their success, their progress. We certificate them. In this platform, this Industry 3D Experience platform, we can quickly recognize if they are talented. Because when they receive the certification, there's a kind of gamification. We recognize them. For example, the guys around you, you see some red t-shirt people working for the SolidCAM event. In fact, there are some young talents from this platform. We just ask them to join this event and help around. They know SolidCAM. And of course, all these educations today controlled by more than 30,000 licenses of SolidWorks, 8,050 plus educational institutions in Turkey give training for SolidCAM continuously. Even publications, since 2004, 2006, Turkish books, you just get the book, maybe get a piracy copy, I don't know, and then you learn it. Don't worry sometimes, because we are doing volume business. We are not trying to sell some boutique softwares to make 10 licenses per year. We want to sell 1,000 licenses per year. Today, as Tekyas, we are selling more than 1,000 SolidWorks licenses every year. Do you expect me to train them every day? Impossible. So, with these trainings, what happened? You can make this test by yourself. Go to the LinkedIn. I did it. These are the competitor CAM systems. Maybe you can guess. I didn't write them. I checked how many people put the name SolidCAM globally, and how many people say that I know SolidCAM, or I don't know, mention it. For example, globally, there is 10,000 people on LinkedIn saying that I have some SolidCAM experience, 10,000. I checked all the other customers, all the other companies. Yes, as you can expect, one brand is really high. But then I check a kind of percentage for Turkey. So when I discovered that all these education effort changed something. In Turkey, we hold 29% of LinkedIn users saying that I know SolidCAM. And checked it also for the other brands. Look at that. 6, 6, 10. So the average for Turkey maybe 7% of the global job market. But in Turkey, it's totally different. So this is a game changer. As you see, you can do it right now, tomorrow for your country. And then I checked the Google Trends. If you go to Google Trends, it's very easy. Every day you can check it. This is the past 5 years, monthly search. Everybody in the world get up in the morning. Of course, they are in love SolidCAM. So they search SolidCAM. Where is SolidCAM training, something. And this is the trend. It's almost same. But then I check the most popular regions. Slovenia is #1. Who is Slovenia? Is there anyone from Slovenia? Thanks to them. Bravo. You're #1. But Turkey is also in the top list. They are also in the top list. Israel, of course, is there. And this is the map of SolidCAM now. popularity map. So then I wanted to go deep down. I wanted to understand also the cities, because what I said, think global, but act local. And then I see that this is the capital of SolidCAM now, Konya. Konya is a city from Turkey. My customers in Konya, thanks for your 100% market share, because in Konya, no other CAM system really can succeed. Also, Kayseri is another very popular region. Bursa, again, Turkey. So as you see, when you act local, those cities really focus SolidCAM. There is again another city there, this Ljubljana. It's not from Turkey. Do you know where it is, Ljubljana? Is there anyone? I know, I learned, it's like this Slumdog Millionaire film, because I was watching again Galatasaray, again Olympic Ljubljana, and then I discovered what is this Ljubljana, if we can eliminate this team, and I understand that it's from Slovenia. Hopefully we eliminate, but thanks to them, they are still making really good things in Slovenia. I can understand that. So, another information for you, this is Konya. So, maybe in Istanbul, if you spend some time, you will see some whirling people, some spiritual stuff, dervish. They are all coming from Konya, a very spiritual city. And for me, SolidCAM is like a god there. Everybody wants to know SolidCAM. It is so interesting. If you spend some time, when you say that I am from SolidCAM, you will get full of respect. And also when you see balloons online or anywhere around, again, think that this is Konya or Kayseri. So this is SolidCAM for you. Capital of SolidCAM, if you ask me. And so how we do that, we also do some road shows. So we don't do a road show just in Istanbul. We go to the customer site. We go to all these cities where we are strong. Our people engage with the customer on site. We make similar events. And we also make sales there. Because we ask all these people to come if they want to buy. The best time is face-to-face. So Kayseri, you see Kayseri now, is one of the capital. Also, we make events. This year it was very nice, and all Somek family was almost in Turkey. And we make a great show. In this show, as you see, as you can expect, we have live cuttings, bolts, milling, and Swiss type, of course. But also these kind of events creates really good relationships. So this is again me talking too much, sorry. But customers really still, for 10 years I do the same thing. For 10 years I cut the same part. I didn't get bored to watch eye machining. But believe me, customers also didn't bored. They want to see us cutting eye machining parts live at the events. Every year, I challenge all my competition. I say that on the phone. There is no single CAM company around us to make live cutting in front of you with something similar to eye machining, and they don't. They cannot do. So these kind of corporations created also some nice joint events. For example, GNC is distributor for Grop for Turkey, and also Victor machines. So they invite us. We invite our customers and make similar events all together, and it's really very effective. So everybody talk about it. Talk a bit short. And of course, we are not just a show company. We make real business. How we do that? After we started Swiss Type, first we got a lot of help from Daniel team, Maria, they came us, they help us all these projects, as you see. But then we continue. It's a sustainable investment because SolidCAM is investing. They are now going to be the #1 Swiss type solution, but which has the only software that offers digital continuity. When you say 5-axis, sometimes we always think that it's only simultaneous 5-axis. No, the biggest market for us is 3+2, because our customers are making big machines, and these parts has to be machined in a very big machines, precise cutting, and you have to deliver great post-processor to Konya, to Kayseri, anywhere in Turkey. It's not easy, not everybody can do that. So when you do this, the network talks. Even 4-axis, when you cut these parts, everybody around in the industry comes to you. They even come and watch your cutting on customer side. Even robotic, we have colleagues that have good experience about it. These software companies call us robotic automation companies to get help from us. So with 5-axis, we help them to make this kind of cuttings every year. So for us, if you have any kind of milling machine in your factory, today with Swiss type also, just call us. You don't need to spend your time around, because we have a solution, a real solution with post-development and everything internally localized, even in Turkish language or in a Konya dialect also. So finally, as I said, this is the secret. The main secret is the team. The technical support team is great. This is the people that you see now. But behind the scenes, of course, we fully use everybody in SolidCAM. Everybody in SolidCAM. So final words, slide 43. You know, a lot of things change. Economical crisis, SolidWorks sometimes change their decisions, 3D experience coming. But it's enough long for me. More than 20 years now in this business. I see many problematic seasons. But the only thing I believe is my team. When I look at their eyes, they have always the passion. Because we know what we do, and we believe ourselves, we believe SolidCAM. Also, we believe all the people around the world. You see how people say, yes, we can. This is so good, and this is something so unique. So we say that we are not pessimists. We will not complain about the wind. Even we are not optimists. We will not say that things will change, everything will be fine. We are not that kind of. Because we are not just interested in CAM business. We are committed. We are committed to CAM business. The only company committed to CAM. We don't want to sell our company. We want to solve our customers' problem. We are not interested, committed. So we are realists. We just adjust ourselves and get the results. So thank you.
Thank you. Wow.
One second, Linda.
Wait, there is one question.
I have something to say first. So I learned today that Konya is the capital of SolidCAM. So I vote for lker, the wizard of SolidCAM sales. Who agrees? Raise your hand.
Thank you.
Elker, wait, there's one question from Marco Les. He says, what software do you use to track support time and efficiency?
Yeah, we believe single data of truth. So we are using Microsoft CRM system. So we implemented any kind of technologies we need onto that platform. Thank you.